really wanting to play Crazy Chickens, it's our first time, just hit the instant win bonus feature. Let's see. There we go. Keep it going.
We need to get stuff up here and multiplies.
Yeah.
Or no, I guess it's only instant wins up there. Hey.
Wow. Okay. And so it's kind of like Dragon Link. It looks like 15
Yeah.
grand is about 10K.
Instant win. $1.50.
There we go. Oh, so we can get that again. Not bad, Brad. Oh, okay. That should be a re-trigger. Wonder if that... Oh, dang. Okay. Alright, let's see. Okay. 22, first ever bonus on it.
Not bad.
We've spun about 5 times, so let's get this red one. It looks like that's Jackpot bird. Let's keep going. Alright, we're back. We get the multipliers bonus. Still don't know what we're looking for.
Nope.
But
Oh, it's the same thing. Just now we get multipliers on the top instead of instant
okay.
win.
Oh, well, that's cool. Look, so next time if we get one there, it'll do it to 4, so it just stacks.
Oh, no, that's 8.
There we go. That's $8, right?
Yeah.
I like this better than the instant win.
Me too.
We're still shooting for that jackpot bonus, but we'll take it. I do wish those re-triggered it too.
Yeah. 1.
There we go. Come on, Brad. Oh, wasted.
There we go.
There's something. Oh, it
Wasted,
stayed.
Yeah.
Let's get a times 10 multiplier.
Hey, there we go. Good roll.
Yeah, that was good.
Oh, music's getting faster.
5 more and we'll get that grand. 4 more.
Nice, times 3.
There we go. Come on. Just one. Just one. Alright, let's see. Alright, that's our biggest win thus far. We're back up. Let's see. What do we think? Are we gonna keep going for the red or are we out of here?
I want to see the red.
Kinda wanna see the red. Crazy Chickens, Hollywood Casino. We're gonna go for the jackpot. Not cashing out quite yet. We'll be back again. Alright, best case scenario, we got 2 of them. 2 birds. Alright, Brad. This is your game. Let's see it. Wow, okay, cool. Okay, so they stack up there.
Oh,
Okay. Let's keep it going. Re-trigger. Okay. 3 more for a minor.
Instant.
Come on, come on. So does this stay till we get one there?
Alright. Yep.
Yeah, that's cool.
Come on. Top 1 for us.
3 more for a grand.
Come on. Keep us alive.
Re-trigger, here it comes.
Oh,
Oh,
there we
thank
go.
last minute. 3 more for a major. Okay.
Top 1.
Keep it going, Brad.
Okay, there we go.
Yes! That was a good spin. I think $1.50. 50.
Minor.
Minor. One more for a minor.
Come on. Keep us alive. There's a minor.
There's
Nice.
minor. Boom. Got it. Got another spin. Brad's gonna re-trigger it right here. All right, we want to see 3 majors or 3 grands.
Pop, pop, pop.
Whoa, okay. Okay. We keep topping our bonuses. That one was, what, $3, $2 better? All right, we hit the red. All the birds are at the bottom. I think it might have done as well.
Gotta wrap it up.
Wrap it up. First time playing Crazy Chickens. 8 out of 10. Brad, cash out. Let's try something else. Good win, Brad.